With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is 4 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards without replacement. Find the probability that all of them are jack. So here in the question I am told that we draw 4 cards out of 52 cards without replacement and I need to find the probability that all the 4 cards will be jack. Okay, so first of all let's see what are the total number of cards in a deck of cards. That is equal to 52. And if I write what is the number of jack. Okay, jack is represented by J. So we have 4 jack. Okay, so 4 jack, 1 of each suit. Okay, now let me define one event. Let's say Ji and it is defined as that my card drawn is jack. Right. Now in the question what I am told that all the 4 cards should be jack. So first of all let's see what is the probability that first card is jack. Okay, so Ji is card is jack, or I should write ith card is jack. Okay, so ith card is jack, that means if I is 1, that means first card is jack. So how many total cards I have? 52. And what are my favorable cases? 4. So 4 by 52 will be probability of J1, which I can write 1 by 13. Now in the question we are told that without replacement. Since I have drawn 1 jack card, so total card would be 51 and remaining jack would be 3. Now let's find probability for jack 2. That is the second card is jack. Now how many jack I have? 3. And total how many cards? 51. I can simplify it to 1 by 17. Now one more jack is drawn. That means cards are 50 and jacks are 2. Okay, now let's find the probability that third card is jack. So third card, how many jacks I will have? 2 and total 50. So 1 by 25. Now when I will draw my third card, number of cards left will be 49 and jack left will be 1. So probability that fourth card will be jack will be 1 divided by 49. Right. Now what we are told that all cards are jack. That is 4 cards are jack. So I can write here that my required probability that all 4 cards are jack will be equal to, see, simultaneously we will draw, that means probability of J1 into probability of J2 into probability of J3 and into probability of J4. Right. Now let us multiply 1 by 13 into 1 by 17 into 1 by 25 and into 1 by 49. If I multiply these all, what I will get? Numerator 1 and in denominator we will have 270725. So this will be our final answer to the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.